What makes you different from other companies? I've actually shared this information on my YouTube channel. Ideally, when it comes to the type of business that I'm in, there's really not a whole lot that's going to separate me from what my competitors, right? As far as the product itself, the product we sell is we're selling Facebook ads, and then we have a team that converts them. That's kind of what makes us different, right? The way that our team is set up, the way that the conversions are, the way that the saved responses come in, the way that we basically handle our process and the experience that we have of running these types of ads. That's the stuff that's gonna make us different. I have been basically in and around these Facebook events for dealerships going on like 3.5 years. It really took off like right when COVID happened, because everyone was kind of based on the appointment, like setting appointments for the dealership. So these events became really big. And during that time, I was actually, the COO of another company that we were doing, I think at the height we did 400 events in a month, which is pretty incredible, right? Now, that's not 400 different dealerships, it's about 200 different dealerships because we do 2-week events. But basically, like all that experience, I mean, I've probably managed I'd say somewhere between $5 and $7 million worth of Facebook ad spend, specifically just for automotive dealers and in these types of events. So our experience, how we run the ads, and then how our team responds to the leads that come in, they're able to give us a conversion rate. Generally, right now, our conversion rate's about 60%. A lot of companies will say 50, 55, 60, whatever, but that's for this entire year. We have spreadsheets that go in, and our conversion rate average for the entire year. This is even events that aren't good. The people that don't repeat business, because occasionally that does happen, but we're still at a 60% average. It means we have some events where we're converting in the 70, 80 range, which is incredible. Dealerships work with us. If Facebook's going to work in that area, we will make it work. And then when that happens, most of the time dealerships rebook. So we have some dealerships that have been running with us since the inception of our company. They run month in and month out, and one dealership actually runs 3 weeks a month, takes a week off, runs 3 weeks, takes a month off, and they've been doing that for going on 3 years. So basically that's ultimately what makes us different, is experience, our people.